guys, my name is Victoria. I am an ESL teacher at LASC. I love dancing, hiking, traveling. I love learning languages, and of course I love teaching English. That's why I teach ESL. So how do we teach online? How do you learn online? Today I'm going to show you a little bit about how we've set up this semester and how I teach my courses. Zoom, Google Classroom, our online LMS workbook, our ebooks, PowerPoints, emails, all of the above. We make it work. Zoom is our new classroom and it's great. We can see each other. I can share my PowerPoint and it allows us to still communicate with our students. It allows students to keep learning and of course keep our classes very interactive, which is what we want. We don't want to lose the human touch. We want to keep discussing with our students, giving them feedback. So all in all, we are using a lot of technology this quarter. It's actually quite easy once you get the hang of it. All of that allows for our students to continue learning and practicing their English online, and it's working. So this is our summer quarter 2020. Thank you so much.